Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. Here you can see this is our Redmi 5 Rozi. आज हम लेके आए हैं MIUI 12 MIUI Plus ROM. This is MIUI Plus ROM based on MIUI 12. Here you can see, let's check the specification of this ROM. Here you can see MIUI version. This is the plus version MIUI 12 MIUI Plus 20.9.17 premium. Here you can see the name of the ROM is the premium, but it is not premium. I will tell you about the features and every specification and bugs of this ROM. This is Redmi 5 model. Let's check the all specification. You will get Android version 10. Here you can see this is based on the Android version 10 latest. You will get one Stumber security patch. This is the MIUI version HM5. Quell Lite kernel is installed in this one 3.18 version. Let's have the features of this ROM. How is the performance of this ROM? Is it better to use for daily purpose or not? Should you install this ROM or not? First let's check the Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi is working perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. Hotspot is working. Previously I have connected the hotspot. Here you can see Wi-Fi works perfectly, no problem in Wi-Fi. You can easily connect device without any error, or you can use Wi-Fi of other devices in your device. It works 100% perfectly. Or let's say the hotspot is also working perfectly. Later I was using hotspot in my own device, personal device, so hotspot is also working perfectly, no problem in hotspot. Network is also working perfectly, no problem in Jio. Here you can see Jio is working perfectly. Volt is also working perfectly in this ROM, MIUI 12 ROM. All the bugs will be written in the description, or you can check the description also for the bugs. I will tell you about the bugs which I will catch, or the standard bug is the first bug of this ROM is the rounded corners. Here you can see, if I open any animation or settings, here you can see you will get the rounded corners bug. Here you can see, if I open any setting or any other app, you will get the rounded corner bugs. If you flash the fix will not work. I have tested each and every fix, so I have not fully tested the fixes because this ROM is not for daily use. Let's check the Bluetooth also. Here is our device. Here you can see, let's connect the Bluetooth. Here you can see this is other device Bio 5003. Let's pair it. We are pairing. Here you can see, let's pair it. It works perfectly, no problem in Bluetooth. Here you can see it will connect perfectly. Here you can battery percentage 60% remaining battery active. Here you can see Bluetooth icon is also coming. Bluetooth icon and battery of our Bluetooth device is also coming, no problem in Bluetooth. Let me connect it until I review this ROM. Let's check the display also. First let's check the display. Here is the brightness level is working perfectly. Automatic brightness is working perfectly, no problem in automatic brightness. Reading mode is also working perfectly. Here you can see, you can adjust it according to your use. It works perfectly without any problem or any bug. You can schedule it according to your use. Here is the color scheme. Saturated standard is also available. It changes according to your use. You can change the color also. Here you can see temperature, it changes, but it is very light. Color temperature changes, but it is very light. You cannot see the changes in the video. Anti-flickering mode is available in this ROM. Dark mode is available in this ROM. Here you can see this is the dark mode. You can schedule the dark mode also. It works perfectly. Dark mode is working perfectly, no problem in the dark mode. You can use the dark mode without any trouble. This ROM takes a lot of time to open the applications. Font is also working perfectly, no problem in the font. Text size you can change the size also. Here you can see this ROM takes a lot of time, so better do not install this ROM for daily usage. System animation, here the system interpolation. Here you can see it works, but it makes the device slower. Let's check the lock screen. Here is the lock screen, always on display. Here is always on display. Let's check the always on display whether it works or not. Let's check the always on display. Here you can see always on display is working, but it blinks. Sometimes it blinks. Here you can see it starts blinking. So there is a bug in the always on display. It flickers a lot of and drains a battery. Raise to wake is working perfectly. Double tap to turn off the screen is working perfectly, no problem. Always classic mode में चलेगा बस ये. Always show notification is also working perfectly, no problem. Let's check the, here is the lock screen format. Let's check the lock screen format. You cannot change the lock screen format as it does not work. I have applied. Here you can see it has been successfully applied. Let's check the lock screen. It does not work. Here you can see I have applied the other one, but it is applied some other. Here you can see it does not work properly. Here you can see I have changed it. from here to here. It does not work. Let's check the password and security if the fingerprint is working in our device or not. How fast is the fingerprint and face unlock. We will also check the face unlock if the face unlock works or not. So you can check the video. So if you want to install this ROM, you can check the installation link will in the description. Installation is very easy, no need to flash any fix. Vibration is working perfectly in fingerprint, but vibration is not working in the navigation bar. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Here, click. Here you can see fingerprint speed is average. Here you can see it takes a lot of time. So it is, if you want to install this ROM, do not install this ROM. It lags a lot. Let's check the face unlock also. So that's why I have not given any fix. I will upload many MIUI 12 ROMs. Whichever I like the MIUI 12 ROM, I will upload with the fix. So don't worry, video will be uploaded soon. Let me apply the face unlock. Here you can see I have successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the face unlock whether it works or not. How fast is the face unlock. Here you can see face unlock is very slow. It is lower than average. Face unlock is very slow in our device. This ROM lags a lot of face unlock is very slow. Here you can see face unlock and fingerprint both are slow. If you want a fast MIUI 12 device, so ROM, you should not install this ROM. This ROM is not very fast. It lags a lot, and the performance of this ROM in game and opening any application is very slow. Processing is fully 100% slow. Control center, you can use the control center without any trouble. Here you can see, but it lags a lot, yaar. I do not recommend this ROM to install in your device. Here you can see control center is working perfectly. Dual network icon, here is the LTE instead of 4G. You can switch it according to your use, but it requires a reboot or it takes some time to switch. Show connection speed is available. Here you can see you can change the carrier, show carrier when the device is logged. Battery icon, you can change them by UI. Battery icon is same, it does not change. You requires a reboot. Here is the full screen display. You can just use the gestures, but it lags a lot, so don't enable it. The phone will be very laggy, so use only navigation bar. I have tested each and every ROM. Sound is good in this ROM, no problem in the sound is average good, no problem in the sound. Vibration is also working perfectly. Volt is also working perfectly. Vibration for call is working. Navigation vibration is not working. So I will not tell about the full review of this ROM, as I do not recommend it to use this ROM for daily purpose. And then my account is working, no problem in MI account. You can easily log in MI account without any problem. Here you can see I have sent the notification or the code, so it's working perfectly, no problem in the MI account. You can easily sign in. If you want to install this ROM, do not install this ROM for daily use. More MIUI 12 ROMs will be coming soon, so you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. Don't go for this ROM. Just wait for me for more videos. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.